Sometimes, when we create content, we might include facts that aren't quite accurate. This can cause problems because incorrect information damages your credibility and leaves people confused. That's why fact-checking before sharing anything significant is so important. Here's a simple prompt you can use to identify factual mistakes quickly and easily. I am writing the following, see attachment. Please identify any factual inaccuracies. List the inaccurate statements as bullets. Then simply attach your document and the AI will scan it for errors. This works because you're giving the AI a clear and specific task to focus solely on checking facts and list in a straightforward way anything that's incorrect. Here's an example to see this in action. First, we start with our guardrail prompt requesting only factual information. Then we enter this: the Wright brothers invented the jet engine. We attach it to our prompt and ask the AI to check for factual errors. The AI replies, the Wright brothers did not invent the jet engine. They are credited with inventing and flying the first successful airplane in 1903. The jet engine was developed later by Sir Frank Whittle and Hans von Ohain in the 1930s. See how the AI pinpointed the mistake and provided the corrected information. Using a prompt like this helps you catch errors quickly, saving you from potential headaches later. Remember these tips: always attach the material you want checked. Keep your request focused on factual accuracy. Taking just a few extra seconds to double-check your facts can make all the difference in creating content that's trustworthy and impactful. Happy fact-checking! If you need additional help or have questions about how to get started with AI, you can ask our specialist questions through our AI consulting form at raymond.com or by scanning the QR code.